The Splendide WDV2200XCD Combo Washer Dryer by Westland is a compact, all-in-one laundry solution designed for users who need efficiency without sacrificing performance. Built with space-saving convenience in mind, this vented washer-dryer combo is especially popular in RVs, apartments, condos, boats, and tiny homes where traditional laundry setups are impractical. With an 11-pound capacity, the WDV2200XCD comfortably handles everyday laundry needs such as shirts, towels, undergarments, and light bedding. While it may not replace a full-size household washer and dryer, it excels at consistent performance in limited spaces. The front-load design allows easy access and efficient water usage, making it both user-friendly and economical. One of the standout features of this unit is its inverter motor, which ensures quieter operation, improved energy efficiency, and longer lifespan compared to conventional motors. Operating on a standard 120V AC power supply, it eliminates the need for special electrical upgrades, an important advantage for mobile or compact living environments. The machine offers multiple wash cycle options, including delicates, heavy-duty, normal, and quick wash, allowing users to tailor each load to fabric type and soil level. The knob-based control system is simple and intuitive, making it accessible even for users who prefer straightforward, no-frills operation over digital interfaces. As a vented combo unit, the Splendide WDV2200XCD provides more effective drying compared to ventless alternatives. Clothes come out noticeably drier, reducing the need for extended drying times. However, proper vent installation is required, which should be considered before purchase. Physically, the washer-dryer measures 35 inches deep, 25.5 inches wide, and 23.5 inches high, and weighs 155 pounds, giving it a solid, durable feel. The clean white finish blends seamlessly with most interiors. Pros: space-saving all-in-one washer-dryer. Vented drying for better moisture removal. Energy-efficient inverter motor. Runs on standard 120V power. Ideal for RVs and small living spaces. Cons: smaller capacity than full-size units. Requires external venting. Longer cycle times for larger loads. Overall, the Splendide WDV2200XCD is a reliable, well-engineered washer-dryer combo that delivers excellent performance for compact environments. It's an ideal investment for users seeking convenience, efficiency, and dependable laundry care where space is at a premium.